In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI with Windsor AI. By the end, Claude will be able to securely pull data from Windsor AI through a connector. All you need is access to a Claude account that supports connectors and permission to approve the integration on the Windsor side. Start by opening a browser and going to Claude at claude.ai. If you're not already signed in, do that first so settings are available. Next, look to the lower left corner of the Claude interface for the profile icon. Click it to open your account menu, then choose Settings. In Settings, find the Connectors section in the sidebar. This is where Claude manages secure links to external tools. Click Connectors to open it. On the Connectors page, click Customize. This lets you add or manage which connectors are available to you or your workspace. If you don't see Customize, you may need workspace admin rights or to switch to the correct organization. Now click the plus sign to add a connector. In the dialog that appears, choose Browse Connectors to see the full catalog. In the search bar, type windsor.ai. Spelling matters, but the search is flexible. Typing Windsor should bring it up. This connector lets Claude access marketing and analytics data aggregated by Windsor AI. When you see windsor.ai in the results, click it to open the connector details. Here you can quickly review what the connector does and which permissions it requests. Click Connect. Claude will start the secure handoff to Windsor so you can grant consent. You'll land on Windsor AI's consent screen, review the access request, make sure you're signed into the correct Windsor account and workspace, and then click Allow Access to approve. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step when prompted. After consent is granted, you'll be returned to Claude with the windsor.ai connector enabled. You can always revisit settings, connectors, then customize to disable or remove access later if needed. That's all there is to it. We navigated from the Claude profile menu to settings, open connectors, selected customize, press the plus button, browse connectors, search for windsor.ai, chose it, click connect, and finally allowed access on Windsor's consent page. With the connection in place, Claude can reference Windsor AI data in supported workflows while respecting the permissions you just approved. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.